Is data scientist still the sexiest job of the 21st century? While a 2012 Harvard Business Review article hailed data science as the ultimate career choice, recent trends suggest that maintaining this status is increasingly challenging. Despite strong job growth and high salaries, recent layoffs at tech giants like Facebook and Google, along with rising automation from AI tools like ChatGPT, especially with the capability to generate error-free code in a very short time, have left many early career data scientists questioning their future. In an era where technical skills are widespread and competition is fierce, how can you ensure you stand out? In this video, I'll reveal essential strategies to excel as a great data scientist, from understanding business problems, gaining deep industry knowledge, and communicating effectively with stakeholders. By the end of the video, I will share tips how data scientists can surprise the audience in communicating data. Watch and develop the mindset needed to be an influential data scientist. The first mindset for a data scientist is mastering the art of defining the problem statement to ensure that analyses and solutions are both relevant and effective. Albert Einstein famously said, "If I had an hour to solve a problem, I'd spend 55 minutes defining the problem and 5 minutes solving it." This highlights that a clear problem definition can account for 50% of the project, significantly saving time. Defining the problem requires contextualization, such as assessing business impacts in terms of cost savings and revenue growth, while also understanding constraints like budget, time, and regulatory compliance. To define a problem statement clearly, use the 5W: who, what, when, where, why, and how. For example, to understand the company's sales decline, identify who is affected, customers or departments, specify which product is declining, determine where the decline is happening, figure out when the decline starts, understand why the decline occurs, and assess how the decline impacts the business. Additionally, consider what would happen if the problem were not solved to ensure that your data science solution adds significant value and prevents backlash, such as failing to deliver the best-suited solution resulting in lost business opportunities. After analyzing each element, it is time to create one clear paragraph problem statement. The handwatch company is experiencing a significant and persistent sales decline in its major series across Northern Europe, which started 6 months ago. This sales drop is largely driven by intensified competition from both new and established brands, coupled with a market shift towards alternative handwatch. Competitors have introduced innovative features and adopted aggressive pricing strategies that have successfully attracted our target customers. Consequently, our sales have plummeted by 40%, leading to substantial revenue loss and jeopardizing our financial stability and growth prospects. This situation threatens our market share, strains operational resources, and risks undermining our competitive position in this key region. Business or industry terminology further enhances the problem statement with much better clarity. If you have previous knowledge of the sector at your work, this is a great start. Start by mastering industry terminology and key concepts to improve data interpretation and communication. In finance credit risk, industry terminology example can be loan default rate, value at risk, or credit utilization ratio. Stay updated on trends, challenges, or even competitors to adapt your efforts accordingly. Analyze review reports to grasp common issues and market dynamics. Studying successful case studies can provide insights and ideas for innovative solutions. This understanding helps ensure data science initiatives maintain the organization's competitive edge. In addition, gaining industry knowledge can be strengthened by collaborating with various departments and stakeholders within the organization. Data scientists, as data and number expert, often need to collaborate across divisions such as marketing, IT, and HR because these divisions know their business situation very well. By grasping the operational dynamics and needs of these departments, you can better bridge gaps between them, facilitate effective communication, and demonstrate the value of data science solutions aligning with business objectives within the organization. Don't forget to inform and engage stakeholders for all the progress work. They must agree on the problem-solving approach outlined to ensure everyone is on the same page. By doing so, you are securing project sponsorship and support, which will enhance the value of your solutions and amplify the overall impact and visibility of your data science initiatives within the organization, particularly among executive leadership. Eventually, your credibility will significantly rise like a star. After you work with various colleagues, and you have produced your data analysis. It is time to share the data analysis insight result with stakeholders, which requires strong communication skill. Effective communication with stakeholders ensures data scientist work are recognized and utilized. Start by understanding your audience and tailoring your message to their specific needs, whether they are executives or technical teams. Use suitable terminology. For non-technical stakeholders, emphasize business implications over technical terms. Instead of discussing accuracy or p-value or area under curve, focus on simpler concepts like potential profits, cost savings, or time saved. Next, present clear and actionable insights. Simplify complex data through visualizations, summaries, and straightforward explanations to make it accessible. Highlight key findings and actionable recommendations that are directly tied to business objectives, such as increasing revenue or improving customer satisfaction. For example, in the summary finding, you can say, "Our analysis shows that the customer retention rate drops sharply after the first purchase, with a 30% decrease in retention within the first 6 months. Additionally, customers aged 18 to 24 exhibit a 40% higher churn rate compared to other age groups." In the recommendation action, you can say, "To improve retention, we recommend implementing a personalized follow-up strategy for first-time buyers, like targeted email campaigns offering discounts or special promotions within the first 3 months of their initial purchase." By focusing on outcomes and how your analysis can drive strategic decisions, you ensure that your insights are practical and impactful. Engage in active listening and maintain open communication. Regularly seek feedback to ensure alignment with stakeholder expectations and promptly address concerns to build trust. Provide updates on project progress and be transparent about challenges. By adopting these practices of prioritizing customer needs, data scientists can effectively share their findings and support informed decision-making. I would like to share a key strategy for effectively engaging your audience when presenting data. To persuade stakeholders to take action based on the information you provide, incorporating an element of surprise during your presentation can be highly impactful, especially when addressing individuals who have the authority to implement the change. One effective method for achieving this is by enhancing visualizations with meaningful context. For instance, consider 2 images related to job growth in artificial intelligence skills in the United States. In the first image, viewers may conclude that there has been rapid growth in AI-related jobs within the U.S. However, upon introducing additional context through comparative analysis with countries such as the UK and Canada in a second image, it becomes evident that U.S. job growth in this area significantly lags behind these nations. Adding context not only clarifies the narrative, but also highlights areas needing attention and improvement. By following my tips in this video, you have the mindset to be great data scientist, someone who can influence business executives to drive strategic action. Continuously learn about the business and industry trends and develop strong connections with business leaders and industry experts to gain insights and ensure alignment between data initiatives and business objectives. Overall, it is all about soft skill that makes you stand out, especially with lots of highly technical talents nowadays. In the next video, I am going to share how to translate business problems into data science questions in more details. Thanks for watching my video. If you want more tips about data science leadership, consider subscribe my channel so that you will get updated more.